Riders ready. It'll be a less than 5 starts at the horn.
Hope you fix that today.
And they're off. This is two Stadium truck. Leonard Candano going over the tabletop now. Into Sutton S second. Eric Christine in second. Very clean start. That's a really good job, guys. It looks like one truck had an issue though. That was the south. Eric Christine rolls it, makes a mistake. That's going to put Casey right on his tail. Leonard's trying to pull away here. Got a little bit of a lead already after 1.5 laps. We'll got Dougie, he's up next. Walking into the intersection, guys, and you mark it, thank you. So we got battles all over the track. But the closest battle right now is between Jonathan Gagnon out there and Denise. And there's the Cowboys in that mix too, so we have a 4-way battle right now for the fourth position. Matt Stacey actually just by entertaining the last time. That's a battle for second. Now the leader is checked out. He's already got a quarter of a lap lead, if not more. Going through the S section is Matt Stacey and Eric Christine through the double single, then the double, very nice. Corey Gross goes wide, just to let the other car go, taking their next square. We're 2 minutes into this race. Right now, Matt Stacey over the table to all now, and a mistake by the chain. That it didn't cost him anything except for the battle for the second position. He's got a group of cars coming, Beauregard, Daniel, and Danny Boulay battling out. The leader after this far Daniel already. So that's the leader going over that double into the river section, way ahead of everybody right now. Matt Stacey is the second place. He's going into Sutton S right now.
Not too much power. 7-5.
3.5 minutes to go, guys. 2.5 minutes to go in this race. Not much going on right now. Beauregard, Daniel, open. That's the closest battle on the top. But 4 seconds. After Danny Boulay and Dowden, I think, Dowden pulled away in that battle. Our leader makes a mistake, and Dowden gets the worst of it. Matt Stacey crossing the line again, over the tabletop, into the top match. He is tapping on it a little bit right now, but Ryan's got a huge lead. Got top of lap lead over our second place truck. Lead the Marshall on that match, thank you. So let's see, Eric Christine trying to pass Matt Stacey for second position. That's the closest battle on the track now. Over the tabletop they go, separated by 1.5 seconds. Christine almost getting it wrong, but these two together go through the S section onto the double single.
Nobody's doing triple. I know. All packed. They all have different tires.
So we got Bill Bowden in between our second place battle here. So yellow, blue, and white, followed by the white orange. Thank you very much, Bill. Going through the S section. Our leader just crossed the line for the 10th time. We've got a minute 50 to go, in this race. We got a car slip there. Thank you very much, Abby. Good to see Abby out running the car again. We need a Marshall somewhere. I don't know where it is. I think it's okay. 130. Leonard makes a slight bobble. He doesn't want to use too many of those. Ball top is something too soft and walk it out, watch it in his spirit. That was lucky. So here comes our battle for second place. Crossing the line here now. Matt Stacey, Eric Christine crossing the line. Going on to the straightaway with just over 1 minute to go. Matt Stacey trying to hold on. The chain makes a mistake. Not Stacey trying to stay consistent. He's one of our more control. Lita Marshall left. Lita Marshall taking custom duty seriously. 50 seconds to go, Downers. Here's second place crossing the line, and here's third place crossing the line. That's the closest bottom on the track right now. Separated by about half a square. Four-wheel drive buggy is up next. See everybody in line. Watching on the tabletop. Watching in the ribbon section. Here. That's second place battle. Or top Corey, 20 seconds to go. Most likely this will be your last lap. The battle between Stacey and Eric McCain. And here comes Eric. Coming up the Cowboy. Take the Cowboy and let him go. In the act section, McCain all over this. Not Stacey. This is going to be the final lap. They're going through the intersection. Not Stacey. Up and down. Still holding on to second. Oh! And not Stacey going to take it. Eric trying to just on that last lap. What a beautiful race. Great finish. So Cowboy, you're done. So George, you're done. Our winner, that is Susanna. Finally having a little walk in one of his knees. Just waiting on Gareth now. And here he is. That's it.